In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Union Bank virtual credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have acquired a virtual card from the Union Bank through the latest version of their mobile app, you will be able to manage, activate, and use the virtual card however you wish, as long as you do this process through the latest version of their mobile app. So sign into the account where you have the virtual card that you want to use and select it from the home screen under your dashboard when you go over to your accounts. After you select your card, the first thing that you have to check in order to use it properly is to double check to see if the card is unlocked. So if the lock option is turned on, just tick the option and this will unlock the card. So as you can see, as soon as you take that option off, the card will be shown at the top. You will be able to see the card number, the expiration date, and the security code alongside the name inside of the card. As long as you copy these details as you might expect, you will be able to start using your Union Bank virtual credit card to make purchases online. So all that you have to do is unlock the card through this window, copy all of the details that you can see after unlocking the card, and start making purchases with the card number, expiration date, and security code. Anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted as a payment method, you will be able to input these details to complete your orders, proceed to checkout, etc. As long as you use the details in here and you have the necessary amount of funds with the card unlocked, you will be good to go. You can also optionally attach it to a digital wallet. That way, you might be able to use it to make contactless payments with Apple Pay or Google Pay. But for the most part, all that you have to do is use the details in this window when you go over to the latest version of the mobile app to start using your Union Bank virtual credit card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Union Bank virtual credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.